bass.
That's 1-0. Go ahead and put that back.
Nothing huge. Probably another white bass. Think we're sitting on a school of them or something?
Not on a big school of them, but there's a bunch. They're just kind of scattered over the bottom. Nice size white bass.
That's the one I just threw back.
No, that's bigger.
I think so.
A 3?
Sure. Oh yeah, nice one, John.
All right, the weight's close, Dan. Keep going. Oh, he's a nice fish.
Yeah. All right, stop reeling.
Oh my God. And I'm a little closer. Come on, baby. Come a little closer. You got him. Yes.
5 points.
Wow, look at that fish. 7? Smile. Look.
Just keep a hold of that one. We're going to get a picture of the double.
Okay.
Wow, wow, he's pulling drag.
Good. Let him pull it.
Oh, yeah, son.
It's bigger than it looks.
That's what she said.
Hey, you know you got to pay per fish, right?
That boat.
Wow.
Ooh.
That boat is paying.
There you go.
You're right, son.
Wow.
Get up, buddy.
Nice little fish. Not huge, but
Well, he may turn on you.
I know.
That's catfish. Kitty. No, it's fun. I thought it was going to be a cat.
Decent fish, too.
Here and Lanier gets the same amount of rain, and Lanier goes up 1 foot, and this lake will go up 9 feet. Wow.
Little guy. Not bad, though. Yeah, he's pulling a little bit. That's cool. Yeah, decent fish.
He's just moving way too much. There's a hybrid. Missed it.
Get a little more. Yeah, nice fish.
Yep, you're on.
Go, go, go.
Ah, I didn't even get it.
Oh my God.
That's a good one too.
That's a good fish, yeah.
Yep.
Whoa, whoa. Coming up shallow. Oh, he's pulling drag now. Finally. He's right here.
Yeah. Come on. Yep. We met this one.
Yeah. Hold on.
This one for a picture.
Nice. Yeah, take a bloody shot. Fish. That's a big fish. I can't even reel him. He's pulling. Awesome. I'm caught.
You're good, you're good.
Yep. go.
You're right.
Wow.
You're right.
Got it. Let me get back here.
Just keep it out there and get
Yeah.
straight up. When you bring it up here, he goes under the boat. See, when you have it out there, he'll circle back around for me.
You got him. That's a big fish. That is awesome.
There you go. Fish, fish, fish right there. Fish, fish.
Oh, what a good problem to
No, I'm
have.
kidding. It ain't even down.
You find this fun?
We don't even have a bait on it.
Today, that's what she said. Oh,
Got a little tug.
a little bit.
Little drug on that tug.
Oh, he just took some more. That's cool. God, I love that shit. Ooh, he just took some more.
Y'all get one, John? Y'all get one?
Oh, this is big. This is a good fish. Oh, there he is. Nice fish. Yeah, decent fish. This is a sizable fish. Whoa. Oh, yeah, he's there. He's small, though. That's okay. Fat, though. Look at that belly.
This
That's
one
pregnant?
has been eating all your bait.
Oh, yeah, really.
Look at that little chunk. Look at that little
Lord, that sucker's
fat
pregnant.
little bastard.
Can you see how fat that fish is, man?
Oh, he's pulling some drag, too.
Good one, John.
Hey, Ducks, you're in a bad spot.
So that, you know where 411 and 140 meet? You're going up 411 north. You come to that stop sign in Rydell. You take a right there and we're a couple miles
Nice
out.
fish.
No, there's a post office there.
Yeah.
Oh, the big one?
Yeah.
Hybrid.
Yeah, they eat them head first, man. Look at that.
Wow.
I didn't like that one as much.
Oh, did you look at it?
Yeah.
Fish on. Thank you.
We caught a boat strap.
This is a decent fish. It's peeling some drag. Yeah. Nice fish.
Oh, yeah, that's a hive.
Let me get him there.
There you go.
One last fish.
Ooh,
Not bad.
that's fighting like a catfish.
It would be fun to see one.
We may have Mr. Meowma here.
Oh, he's pulling drag. Getting used to doing this righty.
Yep, kitty,
Oh,
Catfish.
my God. That's the biggest one here, too. Believe it.
Nobody
Big
wants.
old champ.
Nobody wants a cat.
Oh,
He's heavy, man. Grab that net. Just grab the net.
Oh.
Good looking channel. Look at that belly.
yeah.
He's ready
Here?
to give babies too. I know. You want a belly rub, don't you?
Too big to eat. Woo!